So first take a cardboard that measures 20 into 10 centimeters and wrap this using a dark green color cardstock. Now cut the corners. Now fold the corners and paste them using glue. So base of the frame is ready. Now take a golden color handmade sheet and make a hexagon shape on this. Now cut this hexagon shape. Now I am just separating the balls out of this silver ball chain. Now I am taking this plastic sheet and wrapping the hexagon shape using this plastic sheet. Basically we are making the shaker card. Now I am using this double-sided tape to paste the plastic sheet. So we will just paste the 5 sides and leave the 6th one so that we can add the small balls inside it to make that shaker card. Now add these tiny balls inside the card. Now I am adding some small pearls inside this. Now I am adding glue inside this card so that all the balls will not settle at the bottom. Now paste the 6th side. And with this our shaker card is ready. Now I am taking this golden color border and pasting this on the side of the frame. Cut the excess strip. And now I am just assembling these balls to make the space in the center. Now I am using my black permanent marker and writing here love. Now paste this shaker card on the top left corner of the frame. Now I am taking some paper cutout and making gift shapes here. Here I am making the paper embellishments. Now paint these embellishments using cake colors. Here I am using blue and orange color to paint my gift box. Now I'm making some polka dots using dark green color paint. In the similar way, color the another gift box too. Now mark the boundaries using black color marker. Now cut the excess paper. So our both the paper embellishments are ready. Now take back the frame. Now I'm taking this corner to decorate my card. Now take this white color sheet and make some pattern over this. Now just cut the border. Now I will paste this on the right corner of my card. I have added a double-sided foam tape on the back of our paper embellishment, and now I am going to paste this on the top right corner of our card. Now I am taking this blue color glitter sheet. This is non-foam glitter sheet, and I am making a layout for shadow box card. So in the center, make a rectangle which measures 8 into 5 centimeters. And now mark at 1.5 cm, 3 cm and 4 cm. Same way on the other side also. Now join these markings. In the similar way, here also mark on 1.5 cm, 3 cm and 4 cm on both the sides and join these markings. So the basic layout of our shadow box card is ready. Now just crease these lines using any sharp object. Fold all the creases and make a box-like shape. Now fold all the sides and make a box shape. I am pasting this box using double-sided foam tape in the center of the frame. Now let's make some quilling flower. For this I have taken 1/4 strip of olive green color and making one tight coil. Take one strip of yellow color and make one loose coil. Now just bend this to create create a petal-like shape and wrap this thrice using a dark pink color strip. Now we will add the green color tight coil that we have made earlier and will wrap the whole strip around the petal. Just keep the green color tight coil on the top and wrap the petal. In the similar way, I have created 5 more petals, so in total we need 6 petals. Now joining all these 6 petals to create a flower. Add half cut pearl in the center and the flower is ready. Now I am taking half strip of yellow and one strip of light pink color and making one coil using these both strips together. Now bend this coil to make a petal like shape and wrap this using half strip of green color. Similarly, I have created 5 more petals. In total we need 6 petals. Now joining all the 6 petals to create a flower. In total we need 2 flowers like this. Now taking one strip of blue color and one strip of dark red color, cut 4 equal parts of both the strips. Now paste these strips from the top alternatively. Basically, we are creating a scroll using these strips. Just cut the edge and roll this to give a scroll-like shape. Adjust all the strips one by one and paste this using glue. Cut the excess strip and the scroll is ready. Similarly, I have created one more scroll. Now taking one yellow color strip and making tight coil. In total we need 3 tight coils. Take one more strip of yellow color and make a loose coil. Just add glue and pinch this to make a petal-like shape. I'm creating a flower using 6 petals like this. Add half cut pearl in the center and this is ready. Now I'm again taking 2 strips, that is one red and one blue, and now dividing these into half. Make loose coils using half strip of red and blue color. Now pinch these to create the petal-like shape. Join both these petals together and first wrap it using 1/4 strip of blue color and then wrap this using 1/4 strip of dark red color. In total we need 5 petals. Join all the 5 petals together and create one flower shape. So all the flowers are ready. Now let's assemble these. Take back your frame and start arranging the flowers one by one as you like. Now I'm using jute thread and decorating this shadow card. Just add the jute pieces diagonally. Now add the jute pieces alternatively. So with this, our frame is ready. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.